Welcome back to another video. Today we got the Harbor Freight new tools or new section on the website. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, more Harbor Freight, Home Depot, Lowe's. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got the new section here at the harborfreight.com. Says great new tools at unbeatable value. We do have all the colors now on this 56-inch by 22 double bank extra deep cabinets. So if you're a DIY, if you work on your vehicles at home, you need a tool storage at home, even if you're a professional starting these, you might want to look into Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight has very decent boxes, very good value for the money. And pretty much you can get started, with your own tool set and toolbox. You got all kinds of colors. You got black, red, blue, yellow, orange, green, in all the colors, all the sizes, and all the tops and bottoms. So you got right here, you got the 56-inch double bank top chest, so you got a nice lid on the top. All 6 colors available. Then on this one you got the 72 by 22 triple bank roller cabinet. Heavy duty, weighs 545 pounds. It says 29,500 cubic inch of storage, and you got a 6,600 pound weight capacity. And the next one we got the 44-inch. So this is probably gonna be, I'm gonna be shopping for a box pretty soon, hopefully by the end of this year. But yeah, I'll be definitely looking into this 44-inch box. So this is the heavy duty, weighs 291 pounds, 44-inch by 22 deep cabinet, double bank deep cabinets, 44-inch double bank top chest, got 6 colors, weight capacity 2,640, storage capacity 14,000 cubic inch. And then you got the US General and cabinet. So this is the cabinet that goes on the side of any of these. Says 14.5 inch and cabinet attaches to any 44 or 56 and 72 cabinet. Yeah, these are 2 different types of cabinets you can attach. It says attached to any 4. Yeah, same thing. This is a little locker, 16-inch locker, so you can attach one on each one on your side to make it look nice and have more room to store. You got the heavy duty 26-inch by 22 single bank extra deep cabinets, weighs 174, 26-inch single bank top chest. So it's the top chest for this. It says 1,000 pound capacity, 9,800 cubic inch of storage. On the next one we have the Chief Reciprocating Saw, professional high-speed metal air reciprocating saw. So this is an air reciprocating saw for that. You got the Apache 5800. It's like a suitcase. You can carry out your sensitive equipment, your cameras, your computers, your technology stuff that's gonna break. Even your luggage, you can probably carry it. It says rolling on case, so it's like has wheels and a handle there. You got the Chief half-inch reversible air drill. It's nice. It says 90 TB, 850 RPM, 90 PSI. Nice. And then the rest, you guys probably seen them already. This is a table saw. And this is a new price they have for the table saw. So it's down to $2.99 now. From before it was $3.50. This is the Bauer 5-inch random orbital sander. It's a nice little sander. This is the Daytona 1,300 pound capacity wheel dolly. I was looking at the stores. This at the store the other day. It looked nice. These are nice. Little pricey, but they're nice. Alright guys, pretty much I already went over these on my other video. These are the new paint guns. So, alright, we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like, the subscribe.